These are the Beats Solo Pro, the company's first active noise canceling on-ear headphones, and the newest addition to the Solo lineup. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the new headphones and see if they are worth picking up. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications whenever we share a video. Unboxing the Solo Pros, the first thing you'll notice is this new soft case with this felt material all over the outside, which is actually really nice. And of course, the inside of the case houses your Solo Pros, which we have in this dark blue color, but you can also choose from light blue, red, ivory, gray, and black. There are also some accessories inside the box, the most notable being a lightning cable, which is awesome because the previous pair of Solo headphones featured micro USB. It would have been nice to see USB-C here, but at least you can currently use one cable for your iPhone and your Beats headphones. The outside band of the Solo Pros is made up of this matte plastic material, with the inside band being made up of metal and providing you with the durability and premium build quality. The metal band is also the adjustment band so that you can get the right fit on your head. There's only one button on the Solo Pros, and that's to toggle between ANC and the new transparency feature, which we'll touch on in just a minute. So that means there's no power button on the Solo Pros. The headphones actually turn on and off automatically when you unfold or fold them back up. So when you take them out of the box, the moment you unfold them and about to put them on your head, they're actually ready to go and pair via Bluetooth. Or if you're using this with an iOS device, you can take advantage of the H1 chip and its AirPod style pairing process. So once you pair with one iOS device, the headphones are now added to your iCloud account, and you can use them across all Apple devices without having to unpair or repair. If you're running iOS 13, you can also take advantage of the audio sharing feature that lets other Beats or AirPods with the H1 or W1 chips pair with an iOS device with separate volume controls so that you and a friend or family member can listen to the same music or watch the same movie together. Playback controls are also located on the right ear cup, and you can tap above or below the Beats logo for volume controls, and then you can tap in on the Beats logo to play, pause, or skip tracks. Like the over-ear Beats Studio 3 headphones, the Solo Pro features proprietary Beats noise canceling technology known as Pure ANC for active noise cancellation, but with updated tuning to accommodate the on-ear form factor. Apple says Pure ANC uses advanced algorithms to continuously monitor and adjust to the listening environment. There's also a new feature called transparency, which is something that a lot of popular headphone manufacturers have been including in their premium headphones in some way, shape, or form, where you can essentially pull back the active noise cancellation and activate external microphones which amplify the sounds around you so that you can hear someone talking to you, or if there's an announcement going on over the speaker in a plane, etc. I do really like this feature because now I don't have to pause my music or pause my movies and then take my headphones off to have a conversation with somebody or to hear something that's going on around me, but instead I can just make sure I have transparency turned on. As far as battery life goes, Beats has the Solo Pros listed at around 22 hours with Pure ANC and transparency turned on, but if you don't use those features, you can actually get up to 40 hours. But don't worry, there's also a fast fuel charge feature available, which can give users about 3 hours of playback with a 10-minute charge. Finally, as far as audio quality goes, now I've only had these for a short period of time, but I do think these Solo Pros do sound really good. There's not a crazy difference in overall sound profile, and they pretty much fall in line with most Beats headphones that are out on the market today. But in terms of sound quality, I think the Pros sound better than last year's Solo 3s and are right up there with the Studio lineup. You do get more of an immersive sound with the Studios since those actually take over your entire ear, but overall the redesigned ear cups on the Solo Pros really help bridge that gap. And noise cancellation has actually been pretty good too. Like I said, it's not completely covering your ear, so I was very shocked at just how well it does with active noise cancellation, even though it's not completely covering your ear. So far, I'm pretty impressed with the sound quality and noise cancellation. They're still a bit warm and they offer up more low end than other headphones, but this is something that usually is the case with Beats, so it's nothing out of the ordinary. The Beats Solo Pros retail for $299 and are available online and at Apple retail stores with an October 30th launch. So be sure to let us know your thoughts on the new Beats Solo Pro in the comments section down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.